Hi everyone, ever just wanted to delete your Safari history so bad, but you just can't find how you can do it? Well, here's how you can do it. First of all, get to your settings, and then from here, scroll all the way down and tap on apps. So after doing that, here you'll have to search for Safari. So tap on the search bar and start typing Safari just like this, and then tap on Safari in order to open these settings. From here, now scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you see the option of clear history and website data. So if you tap on clear history and website data, here you'll get this pop-up from where you can select which time frame you want to clear your history from and which profile you want to choose. If you want to clear all of the history, you can tap on all history. But if you want to delete the history of today or yesterday or today only or of the last hour, you can select that. I'm going to select all history. And from here, if you want to delete all of your profiles history, you can select all profiles. But if you just want one profile's history, you can select likewise just like this. For now, I'm going to select all profiles. And here you can also see the option of close all tabs. If you want all of your tabs to be closed, here you can select this button or else simply tap on the toggle button and turn it off. For now, I'm going to turn it on and then tap on clear history. And after doing that, all of your history and website data has successfully been cleared. But still, in order to make sure, you can scroll all the way down again and then tap on advanced. And from here, you can tap on website data. So after doing that, here you can see there are no website data left because we have successfully cleared our history and website data. And just like this, you can delete your Safari history. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.